Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. I am doing well. Guess what? I bought this for my pantry in South Africa, but now I'm thinking of putting it in here. Okay, but the interesting thing, this is like so country, so like I mean, it's so country, it's so farmhouse. There was one that said farmhouse, but I'm trying to move away from stuff that's written, you know. But this can work in a country home, in a farmhouse. But what I wanted to tell you is this. So you see how I have up there, let me open this shelves. You see how I have these colorful items here. I love this because it kind of gives my house a country feel. My kitchen, which is brown. But anyway, so you see that one up there. I want to remove those. And I also want to remove these glasses here and these glasses here. I just want to leave like the colorful stuff. Like this one I need to take to South Africa because the set that belongs with this I actually took to South Africa already. So I need to take that. I mean, this is actually was very expensive this year. It's a designer stuff and it's handmade. But anyway, but the stuff that belongs with it is in South Africa. But I have this set here, which is also a country set. I'm gonna leave that one here, even though it would fit perfectly in South Africa. But up there, I usually put all my differences in, like, for instance, that's the fall, that's the Christmas stuff over there, and then I kind of just put the stuff in there. But I want to basically remove all of that and find a place for it so that I have only the colorful stuff here. So I'm gonna try and do that, and I'll show you when it's all done. Okay, so I hope you can see the change, and I made the cabinet a little bit lighter instead of stuffing everything there. Kind of put things according to the sets that they go with. For instance, this set here goes together, and here I think I need to find something a little bit fancy than just a white plate, but this works. And then here's my Christmas cups, and these are my fall cups, and these are just, you know, stuff that I don't use often, but they were bought for Christmas, and I think I might take some of these to South Africa, even though I do have cups in South Africa that are for Christmas, but I might take these. And again, these are additional for I could have, to be honest with you, put all my Christmas stuff here and all my fall stuff up there, but I kind of like this set by itself and this set by itself. So, but yeah, let me know what you think. It's so, oh, by the way, this is also another fall stuff that I could have put together with all my fall plates. Give thanks with a grateful heart. But yeah, my cabinets actually, they are 18 years old at least, and so you can see they're starting to show signs of greatness. But another thing is, so I'm literally like having the most difficult time because I'm trying to focus on two homes, one in South Africa and one here. And so sometimes I neglect this home, but I want to, you know, bring it back to life again and just care about how I place everything. As I said, this is going to South Africa and this is going to stay here. This is also going to stay here. Will stay here. Because, I mean, fall is really like an American thing. Americans love fall. They literally build everything around the season. Of course, Christmas as well. We all love Christmas, even in South Africa. And this is more of my spring set. Like, I love to use this in the springtime. And then these, I just bought them like many, many years ago. I still love the colors and everything. And it's just perfect here. But yeah, thank you so much. Let me know what you think.